Hello everyone, this is Vaishali. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Arty Party DIY. Friends, today to continue our clay art journey, I have brought a different flower which is extremely classy, elegant and easy to make, and that is Kala Lily. So we are going to learn Kala Lily today, how to make it, and let's start. Before any further ado, to start making the flower, we have to start with the stem. Like earlier flowers, bend the tip of this wire to make a little circle to fix the bud of the flower. So this is done, and this is the bud of the Kala Lily, which has these tiny holes. It looks like pollens, and this is a beautiful thing. So let's start making this. So I have this ready, and now I'm going to take yellow color clay. So there are many colors of Kala lilies, but I personally find white is too elegant. So I prefer making white most of the times. So make this cylinder like structure and insert it in the wire, and to give the holes like texture, you can either use toothbrush bristles and just tap it over the bud, or anything that is pointed. So I use this flower making wire, and I'm just pressing it gently here on the bud. So this is how it is gonna look. It is yet to complete. So this is done, and now we have to wait till it dries for making the flower. So let it dry, and I have this another one ready which is dried. So let's start making the flower with the help of this one. And let me take some white clay from the Ziploc bag, and for this flower we need heart shape cutter. The petal of it is gonna be heart shape. So before making the flower, make sure that you have the heart shape cutter. And now take white clay and roll it, cut it in the heart shape. It's okay if it remains a bit thick, so because anyways we are gonna flatten it. So this is my heart. And now, like other flowers, we are gonna flatten the edges of this petal. You have to make it as much as thin you can. And then here come a ball tool into play. So you just have to roll the ball tool around the edges so that it gets a bit curvy look. So this is done, almost done, and this is gonna be the back side part, and this is gonna be the front side, because it has the texture of my palm, which gives realistic look to the flower, as we have seen in rose flower also. So my petal is ready, and now I have to place the bud right in the center of this, and gently you have to wrap one side and other side above it, and the flower is ready. The size of the petal and bud is depends on you. As per your requirement, you can change the shape and size, sorry. You can't change the shape. So this is how it looks, and it looks extremely elegant. So the next step is, you have already seen during our last flowers, we have to put the calyx and then make the stem green with the flower making tape. So we are almost done. This is quite quick. Once the flower is ready, make sure you are keeping it for drying like this, hanging somewhere, so the shape of this doesn't change. Now take the green clay, insert it from the back side, insert it and then tap it. Make sure that your flower is completely dry before, that is recommended, before putting the calyx, to avoid any accidents. So this is almost done. Just a circle, and you are inserting it from back side and tapping it, that's all. So that's all, and then make the stem. So this is my flower, and this is the flower making tape. So let's wrap it around the stem. Make sure you are taking proper care while wrapping it around. It is a bit weight, so moving it a lot is a bit risky. Let it dry. I hope this was clear to you all, and you will give it a try. Now this is going for drying. So friends, this was all for today. You can also get back to me for any queries if you have, and I guess you have liked the video and it was helpful to you. Those who have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and feel free to share. So far we have seen how to make the clay, how to model the clay, how to make the rose, carnation, color lily, magnets, clay dishes, and we are going to see so many other creations as well in future. But maybe a future, for now I'm going to make a video of assembling these flowers to make a whole new presentation. So hopefully soon I'll come up with that video, and till then, take care, stay safe, stay clean. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.